Python classes and objects, mastering object-oriented programming. Hello and welcome back to our Python programming tutorial series. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of object-oriented programming with a comprehensive guide to classes and objects in Python. Whether you're new to coding or an experienced developer, this video will empower you to master classes and objects in Python. Introduction to classes and objects. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a powerful paradigm that helps us organize code into reusable components that at its core are classes and objects. Classes act as blueprints, defining the structure and behavior of objects. Objects, on the other hand, are instances of classes that represent real-world entities. Creating a class and defining attributes. Let's dive into creating a class. A class is like a blueprint, specifying the attributes and methods an object will have. We use the _in and _ method to initialize object attributes. Let's look at an example. Methods within a class. Methods are functions defined within a class that perform actions related to the class. Instance methods are associated with objects and can access object attributes. Let's look at an example. Access modifiers and encapsulation. Access modifiers control the visibility of attributes and methods. Private attributes are prefixed with an _, indicating they should not be accessed directly from outside the class. Constructors and destructors. A constructor is a special method that initializes attributes when an object is created. A destructor is used to clean up resources when an object is destroyed. Class inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance allows us to create new classes based on existing ones. This promotes code reuse. Polymorphism enables different classes to share the same method name. Using built-in class attributes and methods. Python provides built-in attributes and methods, such as _doc_ for documentation and _str_ for custom object representation. Real-world examples and practical applications. Let's apply what we've learned to real-world scenarios. You can model complex systems by creating classes that interact with each other. Best practices and tips. When designing classes, keep them focused and avoid god classes. Use meaningful names for classes and methods. Remember that OOP is about organizing code for clarity and efficiency. Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations! You explored the intricate world of classes and objects in Python. These concepts are foundational to object-oriented programming. As you practice and experiment, you'll unlock the ability to build more complex and sophisticated applications. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll delve into advanced OOP topics and take your programming skills to new heights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more exciting programming tutorials. Thanks for joining us, and happy coding!